Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Live Trading Action by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is May 17, 2016. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in. So a stock I'm going to show you today is a company we're all pretty well familiar with. It's called Costco Wholesale Corp. And again, many of you shop there. I shop there myself. And again, this stock has really come under some severe pressure over the past month and a half with many of the other retail stocks out here. But what you're going to notice is that the stock is coming down to a major support level around the 142 level. So this level right here, if you take a look at it, was made, I guess, on the 8th of February of this year. And that level should at least hold initially. And let me just explain why. If you take a look at the stock right here, you're going to notice that the volume in the name on this particular day had 3.7 million shares. You're coming down really with around 2 million, 2.6 a couple days ago. Today, we're trading around a million, a little over a million. So you get in there with less volume than what you had here, which was 3.7 million. That should be good enough for a near-term bounce. So I think traders, if you want to get involved in this equity, 142 is your spot. And this would just be a short-term bounce level, probably good for about 1 to 3 days. Now, please understand and remember, you want to check for earnings because we are in the middle of earnings season at this point in time. And if you take a look at Costco, one thing I see here is that earnings are going to be May 25th, which is really next Wednesday after the market closes. So again, I don't recommend anybody ever trade in front of earnings. I think it's kind of a gamble and a very high risk play. Not to say the stock can't go higher or significantly higher after the earnings announcement, but what if it doesn't? What if the stock sells off? So again, if it gets down to 142 within the next few days, you want to trade it for a couple days. I think 142 level is a good level for a bounce. However, please just keep in the back of your mind that we do it. That company Costco does report earnings on the 25th of May after the closing bell. That will make it a little bit of a tougher play. Anything can happen after an earnings announcement. Usually we'll get big moves in either direction. Could be up, could be down. I just never know what the company is going to say or do. And really, I like to trade off the chart pattern, and I don't like to have a news event sway the stock one way or the other. So just something to keep in mind. And once again, if you want to trade alongside of us, come on over, take a 7-day free trial to the Research Center. You'll see everything that we're doing in there. Put out a new trade today. And again, you'll get all of our trade alerts in there. You get our cycle work, get all of our content, and you will get our No Hype Live broadcast, which we allow members to come in twice a week, ask us questions about the market or anything market related. And we do that again usually on Sundays and Thursdays. So again, a great program for the members, and that's all part of the Research Center. All right, with that being said, everybody, I want to wish you all a great trading session, and we'll see you on the charts.